his visit to China, United Nations Secretary-General Antonio Guterres addresses the human rights violations committed by the Chinese state in East Turkestan. Secretary-General Stéphane Dujarric said Guterres was visiting Beijing for the Second International Forum for the Silk Road Project, where he met Xi Jinping. The UN Secretary-General is said to have addressed the internment camps and human rights violations happening in East Turkestan. Since 2017, 40 women have been interned in Chinese concentration camps in East Turkestan. How UN News reports, the inmates are forced to consume alcohol and pork in these labor camps. Since the Chinese government doesn't really tolerate the religion of Islam, they are trying to reverse the lifestyle of the people of East Turkestan. Pakistani men of missing women had to confirm a complete renunciation of the Muslim way of life before they are released from the detention centers. In Venezuelan Caracas, some military have defected to the Guaido movement. The soldiers blow up strategically important points during a low-level flight over Caracas and the presidential building. The Venezuelan Ministry of Information confirms a coup attempt. Guaido is convinced that there is no going back. 24 cities are on the streets. The future belongs to the Guaido movement. People and army are united to stop the government, so Guaido. US President Donald Trump watches the situation and plans to support Venezuelan liberation aspirations. The German media landscape criticizes Switzerland's decision to join the controversial Silk Road project of the Chinese government. According to the Süddeutsche Zeitung, this decision has been short-sighted. In Beijing, the Swiss federal president Ueli Maurer met Xi Jinping and signed the contract. Save the Children reports that 100,000 children have been infected with cholera since the beginning of this year. From January 1st to April 19 alone, 236,000 people were identified, of whom over 100,000 are said to be under the age of 15. Compared to the previous year, cholera levels had risen ninefold.